He is. He says, I like this toy. I like Flea.
He's got room for a point there, so it's okay. Except I gotta get this girl.
Good. He's got Flea. I like those squeaky toys. I do. They remind me of when I was a puppy. Yes, they do.
Yeah, he'll still be green. I mean, purple.
Yeah. Green. You're such a good boy. Oh, you're so good. That tired you out, didn't it?
You're a handsome boy. Come on, 1 second. And we all just talked about how to spell shepherd. It's wrong on there, right? I don't even know if that is.
Yeah, that's nice, huh? That's a good sized dog.
Very nice. Oops, speak. Speak. Boy. Sit. Well, that's without giving out some water.
Oh.
Sit. Down. Okay. Sit.
No, not speak. No speak. No speak.
Paw. Yes.
Yes.
Sit. Paw. Good boy. Yay. You're a smart boy. Nice team. Sit. Sit. Good boy. Stay.
It's funny.
Come.
He was waiting.
Such a weird day.
Here, little boy. Yay. Oops, you missed one.
Probably my fault. Okay, one more.
Yay. Very good.